Hey besties, welcome to another video. So I really suck at unpacking after trips, so I thought if I video it I'm more likely to get it done. Fun facts. But yeah, so basically I'm just going to show you like the aftermath of a trip and cleaning, and also because Christmas just happened, my room is a bit of a mess, half clean, half messy. But yes, so first thing on the agenda is to unpack this and get the dirty clothes out, and then put on some washing, even though it's like 6, almost 7. Oh, I also had to take down my Christmas decorations. Okay besties, so it's been a few days since that first part of this video, and I just really haven't done anything. The one thing I did do though is I picked up some shelves and I filled those shelves. So I'm going to show you that because I'm actually kind of proud of it, but it's literally all I've done. I have not unpacked. It's really bad. It's really bad. Like, I need to unpack. And I still haven't even done all my washing yet. But I have that pile of clothes there. It's all the washing I did do. Although I haven't taken my swimmers off the line, and they've been out the back on the line for days. I feel like they're probably still wet because they've been on the back line and it's been raining. We're not doing too well at the moment. Whoops. So these are my shelves. At the top here I've got like a ton of candle wax. Like that is all candle wax. And then this is a box full of bows for my small business. And then underneath that, we just got a bunch of ribbon and bow stuff. And then we got all the scrunchies I've made because the rest of the fabric are a different spot. And then I just have other things down here. There's my little glue gun, different stuff. And then I got like all candle stuff all here. I'm not going to be home for very long today. I'm going to go see Riley. So my goal is just to put the clothes that are in my bag and that I've washed away. That is my only goal. I just need to put them away. Okay, we've successfully unpacked that bag, and then these are clothes so far I have for Riley, so that's why they're on the Alright besties, so it's been a few days again, and honestly, I just need to get it done. I just need to do it. I really need to take down my Christmas decorations, and I'm taking them all down except for these snowflake lights because I'm really enjoying having them on like fairy lights, I guess. I don't know, lights on my bed, and I haven't put my LEDs up. Once I put my lights up, I will take them off. But I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But yes, we're gonna take down the Christmas decorations because they just need to be taken down. Okay, so I basically picked everything up off all of the surfaces that don't belong exactly where they just were. And now I gotta put them where they do belong. I've done like basically everything but the Christmas tree. So the Christmas tree is the last thing I'm gonna try and tackle. But like, I was just gonna take this moment to promo my Depop. I am selling a bunch of clothes that mine that I don't wear anymore, that are too small, they're not my style anymore. All that stuff on my Depop right now. I've put 50% off on every single one of them, so go have a look. If you're one of my friends and you want to buy something, just message me. Don't go through the Depop because shipping and whatnot. Anyways, yeah, now it's time to clean up this mess. Exciting! Also, I'm using my new tripod. But yeah, let's deal with this. Okay besties, ignore, I have not finished getting ready, but I was about to make my bed. And then I was like, shit, I've really been meaning to wash my sheets for like ages. Like so much so that I have other sheets just sitting on the floor in my room to put on my bed. So today's the day, we're just going to do it. We're going to do it. We're going to take the sheets off. We're going to make the bed. Let's go. Okay, I'm ready for the day now. I'm really hoping the sun comes out because like my room is so dark, but that's fine. I've got to finish cleaning my room up. There's only like a few things I still need to do, like put the Christmas tree in its box, deal with this, put my sheets in the wash. There's not too much, which is good. It's good. Hyped, feeling great. Let's finish this room. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, so I just cleaned out like underneath my desk just because I had a bunch of school stuff. Like these were all, well, most of these are like school books and things. They were like almost all school papers, and I have more school papers down there. But I didn't film it because it's boring as, but it's done. I think I'm going to burn most of it because that's what I feel like doing, and I don't have use for any of these papers anyway, so I'm gonna burn them all. Alrighty guys, so I just cleaned my makeup brushes. I just used this thing that I got off Shop Miss A, and then I used a bit of shampoo and I just rubbed the brushes on them, and they're all like pretty clean. I forgot, like I have this brush, but I forgot to do the other end, so it's a little bit annoying. And I'm standing them up this way so the water runs out and doesn't affect the glue holding the bristles in. Thank you besties so much for watching this video. If I sound like crap, that's because I'm sick. Anyways, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for 300 subscribers. I love you all. Mwah. Also follow all my social medias that are linked down below: Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all of that linked below. Go check out my small business, also linked below. Go check out me and Riley's YouTube channel, which is also linked below, but it's Mads and Riles, and it's all about gaming because we cute couple gaming things. Also check out my Depop because I'm selling a ton of my old clothes, some I've like never worn, stuff like that. So go check my Depop out, and yeah, till next time, bye besties.